Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you a beautiful and fancy looking salad which is prepared with easily available ingredients. This salad is very popular in Russia and other CIS countries, which is called mimosa. They got this name from a tree which bud beautiful yellow flowers like a shredded egg yolk we put on top of the salad. Anyways, let's see the recipe. I took one large carrot which I peeled and kept, and 2 small potatoes which I did not peel now, just gave some slits so that we can remove the skin easily after boiling. Then I took them to the pressure cooker with some water and enough salt. And cooked about for 2 whistles, or if you are using open pot, just cook them until fork tender. Now peel the skin of the potatoes. As we have given some slits before boiling, it was easy to peel the skin. Then I boiled some water to cook the egg. I added 3 eggs to the boiled water and cooked it for 10 minutes. We need hard boiled egg here. After 10 minutes, I took it off from the stove and drained the hot water and poured normal tap water and kept them aside to cool down. Now remove the eggshells and keep them aside. Then I prepared little healthy dressing here. Usually for the mimosa salad, they use mayonnaise. If you want, feel free to use mayonnaise. I thought to make some less oil dressing with cooked egg. So for making the salad dressing, we need 1 egg yolk. Take them to a bowl and mash well using a spoon. Then add 1 cup sour cream to it. Then I added 1 to 2 teaspoon olive oil, pepper and salt to taste. One teaspoon sugar and some lemon juice as well. Usually for this dressing I used to add mustard paste, but this time I had no stock so I didn't use it. If you have, add 1 teaspoon mustard paste as well. Mix everything really well. Then I transfer them to a piping bag so that it will be easy to layer the dressing evenly while we setting the salad. Then keep them aside. Now to set the salad, I took a plate here and kept a ring on it. You can use transparent bowl as well so that you can see the salad layers if not plating like this. Now I took 3/4 cup of tinned tuna. If you don't like tuna, cooked chicken or turkey can be used. You can see some corn with tuna here. Usually I use the plain one, but this time I could find only the tuna with corn. Press them well so that it will get set nicely. Now pipe out dressing on top and spread evenly. And grate our cooked potatoes and layer on top of the dressing like so. And and then spread the dressing on top of it. Same way, grate carrot as well and layer on top of it like this. Again, spread the dressing. Now separate egg yolk and white. And grate the white portion and put one layer on top. Then our final layer of dressing on top of the egg white. Now our last layer of the salad, egg yolk. You need to grate them on top of it. Slowly take out the ring. Here you go, our beautiful salad is ready. Now to beautify it even more, I kept dill leaves on top of it. Better to refrigerate it for a couple of hours before serving. This is one of my favorite salad and they are really very delicious. Here in Tashkent, wherever we were invited by the locals, almost all of them prepared this salad along with other salads. I hope you're gonna try this and let us know the feedback. Thank you so much for being here. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.